Hi guys.
Good morning, y'all. What do we got, baby?
I got rice. My mama has avocado, and I have avocado and seaweed. She also has avocado, and she has eggs, and she has her vitamins. Did you really have to chug that?
All right.
And we also have this orange stuff that my mom.
Oh, I have my fish eggs still, so I'm gonna eat it with my rice and eggs and avocado, and we have some liquid aminos on here. I need to use this up, so why not? You gonna pop these or what?
Yeah, wait. Can I pop both?
Mm-hmm. Gotta stab it nicely, please, so that it doesn't go flying. Thank you. Thank you.
That was just a yolk.
Yolk. We hungry today, so we're eating rice and eggs. Happy Thursday, everybody. I haven't posted all week. Mmm. Let's get some masako.
Wait, you have rice also?
Mm-hmm. Mmm. It's kind of like sweet. Has a little bit sweet flavor.
Like sweet like candy?
Sweet like you.
That's not funny. And it's not funny that you sent me that video.
Cheers. Vitamins. Vitamins.
Vitamins. That's vitamins.
Mm-hmm.
Not vitamins. Then you get something.
What's that?
Applesauce. I mean go-go squeeze, not applesauce. Go-go squeeze. Applesauce. Go-go squeeze. Go-go squeeze. It says go-go squeeze.
Very good. Very good.
When you're on a go, you're on a squeeze.
Oh.
When you're on a go, you can squeeze. Go, go, squeeze. Now my spoon is just has avocado on it.
It's okay. Cutie pie. Ooh, you know what I need to get? I think I need some sriracha. You gonna get it? Thank you. So sweet, baby. Mm-hmm.
It's cold.
Mm-hmm. Thank you. Sriracha. Just a little bit.
Like, where did you put all the other sauces?
They're in the cabinet.
Which one? There's like a billion cabinet.
That one, I pointed to it.
I don't know where you're pointing at.
Cabinet by the sink.
What? It's the one by your sink?
Mm-hmm.
So that one?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, put it somewhere else.
Why?
This is sticky, but
It's yummy rice.
it's sticky rice. Bro, my rice is sticking to everything. What the? This has to be sticky rice.
It's pretty sticky, yeah.
Oh my.
You okay? So what are you gonna do today?
Just a little bit of rice on my food.
Okay, you can answer me when you're done chewing.
Put sriracha on my food.
Oh, from my spoon? Can you feel the heat?
Yep.
Maybe just a tiny bit. So, today's Thursday. You gotta get through today, get through tomorrow, then I have another 3-day weekend. Super excited
For what?
to be off work for 3 days.
That's not even a long time.
No, but it's longer than normal.
It's only like 1, 2, 3.
Usually it's only 2 days. This time it's 3 days in a row.
It should be 10.
It should be. And we should get paid for that. But we don't. We should be on vacation all of the time. I agree with you.
Mom,
Mm-hmm.
at work, how much money do you get paid?
Like $1.
Like how
Can you
much?
guys send money, please? We're poor.
Like how much a dollar?
Like $1.
Like $1 bill?
Mm-hmm.
That's it?
Dollar bill, y'all. Mm-hmm.
Just a $1 bill?
Mm-hmm.
$1?
I know. I need more money, baby.
No, you should be getting like $10 at least.
Mm-hmm. That'd be way better, huh?
So why does talk about clothes when it's not busy?
Hmm?
Why does talk about clothes when it's not busy?
It's a business and they have operating hours. So they're open from a certain time to a certain time and then they close. So everyone can go home and rest. And then they will be open again for people to come back.
Yeah, but why do they want Taco Bell to be busy?
So they can make money.
You don't, money is,
Mmm. May I have some water, please? Mm-mm. Oof, thank you. Excuse me. All right, guys. I hope you have a really good day.
bye, that's the wrap up.
That's a wrap. Bye.